Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Omnicard under 18. To get started, a parent or legal guardian must open the account, as the primary account holder needs to be at least 18 years old. This ensures proper oversight and compliance with financial regulations. Once the adult sets up the account, they can add you as an authorized user, giving you access to the card's benefits. It's a straightforward process designed for safety. After the account is established, your parent can easily link their existing bank account to fund your Omnicard. They have the flexibility to load funds instantly, whenever needed, or set up recurring transfers on a regular schedule. This allows for consistent access to funds. Plus, they can set specific spending limits and monitor all transactions through the app, giving you both peace of mind and control over your finances. Using your Omnicard is simple and secure for both online and in-store purchases, just like a regular debit card. Always keep an eye on your transaction history through the mobile app to track your spending and ensure everything looks correct. If your card ever gets lost or stolen, it's crucial to report it immediately to prevent unauthorized use. This quick action protects your funds and personal information. Omnicard offers a fantastic way for young people to learn about budgeting and gain financial independence in a controlled environment. Since it's a prepaid card, you can avoid overdraft fees, as you can only spend the amount loaded onto it. This teaches valuable money management skills without the risk of debt. Remember to check the description below for the link to smart speaker deals and other great offers. It's a great tool for building a strong financial foundation early on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.